One of the features we're demonstrating with this console is a transition, which allows the console to take a wide variety of angles and shapes. In this case, the transition is pre-attached to the end panel and it's just going to be through-bolted through the existing stanchion here on my left. We have a front transition and a rear transition. We're going to line them up with those holes like that, and then we're just going to use our button head screws to hand tighten. Once they're hand tightened, we can use our driver to put them in the rest of the way. Now that our base structure is assembled, we can attach our front extrusion. So when you put your extrusion on, you're going to want to put it past the T-bolts in the channel here. This is where the T-bolts are going. So you use that channel, you put it past, and then you slide it up until you feel the T-bolts engage, and then you just roll it forward. Once your extrusion's on, you might notice a gap where the T-bolt doesn't line up with the stanchion properly. So this gap can easily be fixed by lifting up your base and using your leveler to put it to the right height. Once you're in the right height, everything drops in, and now you're ready to install your extrusion. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to line up the end of your extrusion with the end of the stanchion. So you slide it over, get it flush, and then you can begin tightening your T-bolts. To ensure that the T-bolt is tight, this demarc line needs to be perpendicular to the extrusion. Right now it's parallel, which means it's sitting in the channel. And if we turn it to the right where it's perpendicular, now it's locked in. So once we have it turned to the right, put on your nut, and then grab your ratchet and you can tighten it down the rest of the way. And there you go. When we're seaming a miter on extrusion, we have this miter plate here. In order to ensure a good seam, we actually want to have both pieces of extrusion relatively loose so we can move them around. We're going to want to take our smaller piece and line it up with your miter plate, ensuring that the T-bolt is going to line up with the rear channel, and you simply slide it into place. Just like that. Then take your Allen key, tighten up your miter plate, and now you're ready to secure your extrusion. So you install your T-bolt, ensuring that it's parallel to the stanchion and perpendicular to the extrusion, and tighten down using your 13mm socket.